Good morning, students. Again we are here and we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 8 linear equation in one variable. Okay. Chapter 8 in RS server and chapter 2 in NCERT. Okay, dear. So, as the name suggests, linear equation in one variable. Okay. But at first, before the equation, we have discussed expression. What is expression in previous chapter? The previous chapter name is operational algebraic expression. So we have discussed that also. So at first we will see that what is expression. Okay, what is expression? We will again revise it. What is expression? That is the combination of variable and constant term is called expression. Okay, this is the definition of expression. For example, 2x plus 3, 7x square plus 2x plus 8. These are the examples of expression. We have already discussed in this previous chapter. It is the binomial expression because it has two terms. It is a trinomial or polynomial expression. Okay. Now, here it has two terms. First term is variable and the second term is constant term. And that term we have already discussed in also, but today we will revise it also. Okay. So let's see at first what is variable. Okay. Any alphabet whose value is not fixed and can be taken randomly from alphabets is called variable. Okay, definition can be not same every time. Okay, everything is same but only the words are different. Okay, now the constant term, that is any integer whose value is always fixed is called constant. Okay, for an example, -2, 3, 4, like this. So we can say that expression means the combination of variable and constant. And what is variable and constant? We have already discussed these 3 points in previous chapter. Okay, now let's move to the main point. That is, what is equation? Equation and expression both are interrelated with each other. Okay, let's see how it can be related. Now, expression means, at first the word we will see what is equation. Okay, so at first equation 2x plus 3. Okay, and now equation here. Now equation. What is the difference between the expression and equation? Same expression I am writing here, but after this expression I am writing the equal sign and then I am writing any term which it can be constant or the same variable. Okay, so that is equation is a combination of expression which has left hand side, right hand side and equal sign. It's called equation. So this is the equation, but it is not the equation. Here there is no equal sign, there is no LHS, there is no RHS, So this is only expression. But here in equation, expression, then equal sign, and left hand side value and right hand side value is given. So this is called equation. Okay. Here ax square plus 2x plus 9. This is the expression only. But if we will write here ax square plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 10, means it is the equation. So this is the equation and this is the expression. Okay. Now the next word is linear. Linear means it is the linear equation or not? No, it is not the linear equation, because linear means the expression which has the higher exponent 1 only. Here you can see the highest exponent is 2. So it is not the linear equation, but it is the linear equation. Here you can see the variable has power 1. So it is the linear equation. It is the linear equation, but it is not the linear equation. It will be a quadratic equation. We will learn about this in next class. Okay. So it is linear equation. Okay. Linear equation. And now equation done, which has equal sign, expression, and LHS and RHS both. Then equation, and which variable has power only 1. Then it is called linear. So linear equation done. Now one variable. Variable means that any equation has only one variable. If there is only one variable, then it is called linear equation in one variable. Let's see. Here we can say 2x plus 3 is equal to 9, linear equation. Okay, we will check that which equation is linear or which is not. We will see at first. Okay, this is linear equation. Okay, now x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. This is linear equation. No. Why? Because it has power 2. Now next equation, 5x plus 9 is equal to 4x plus 3. It is the linear equation of one variable or not? Yes, it is. Okay. Here two variables, but both variables are same. Both variables are same. That is, in this equation we have taken the same variable. Means only one variable here. Only x is the variable, na? So it is also a linear equation, okay, of one variable. But if the question will be 5y plus 7 and 3z plus 3, now it is the linear equation in one variable or not? See, at first power 1 means linear equation done. Okay. Now it is one variable or not? No. Why? Because here y and z, there are two variables. So it cannot be the linear equation in one variable. It can linear equation only, but linear equation is not one variable. Not it will be linear equation of two variables. Okay, but we are studying right now linear equation in one variable, so it should be necessary to be only the one variable. Okay, now let's start. Some more topics we will clear it today. Now definitions done, variable, constant. Now write the definition of equation. Definition of expression. Any expression which include left hand side, right hand side and equal sign is called equation. Okay, this is called equation. Okay, now linear equation. Linear equation means any equation whose degree of variable is only one is called linear equation. Okay, that is any equation whose degree of variable is only one is called linear equation. Then linear equation in one variable means chapter name, that is any linear equation which has only one variable is called linear equation of one variable. So we can say that equation means any expression we have just discussed, any expression which include left hand side, right hand side and equal side. It is necessary. Then it is called equation. Linear equation means any equation whose degree of variable is only one is called linear equation. And linear equation in one variable means any linear equation which has only one variable, only one. Then it is called linear equation in one variable. I hope that you all have understood. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. Same as type of expression we have discussed in previous chapter, linear expression, monomial expression, binomial expression, trinomial expression. Same as there is a monomial equation, trinomial, like this also. Okay, so we will, if there is more than 2 or 3 terms, then it is called polynomial also. So it is only the expression. Okay dear. So now we will solve that how to find the variable of any linear equation. How to find the value of the variable of any linear equation by some method. There are 3 methods to solve. The first method which I am going to represent on the board is transposition method, and we will use this method most. Okay, so transposition method. Now everyone will note down the steps that how to solve transposition method. Let's see at first. The first, that always keep the variable of equation in left hand side of equal sign. Okay. The second term, always keep the constant term of equation in right hand side of equal sign. Okay. Then the third step is that calculate variable and constant term separately. Then sign of variable and constant term will change if we take any variable and any variable or constant term from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Okay, so these are the 4 steps to solve any question by transposition method. And at last, right hand side means constant term. We will take the constant term to the right side of the equal sign, and the left side of the equal sign will be variable. Means the answer we will get as a constant value. Then the constant value of an equation will be equal to the variable which is given in the equation. Okay, so now everyone, let's solve one question based on transposition method, then we will clear all our doubts. Okay, let's see. Now the question is, if it is given 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5. Here you can see that here x has the constant term, but it is the coefficient of x. Now we have learned, we have discussed in what is the coefficient in previous chapter. So 2 is the constant term, but x is the variable, but it is in the product of the constant variable is given. So we will not take that one also. Okay, at first we will take plus 3 to that side, because constant term 1 by 1 we will take. 2x will be here only, then plus 3 will go that side, then minus 5 there only, plus 3 will go, then it will be minus 3, sign will change, it is written in the steps. Okay, then 2x is equal to minus plus means minus 8. Okay, now here we can say 2x means 2 into x is equal to minus 8. Now again we will take that constant term 2 to that side also. So here multiplication of the constant term and the variable is given. Then 2 will go that side, then it will go in divisible form. So by 2, then 2 4 is 8. X is equal to minus. So this will be our answer. So we can say that always keep the constant term to the right hand side of the equal sign, and always keep the variable in the left hand side of the equal sign. So we can say that x is equal to minus 4. That is the variable, value of variable is minus 4. Okay, let's solve one more question. 8x minus 8 is equal to 5x minus 3. Okay, now here you can see this is the variable, but this is the constant term, this is the variable, and always keep the variable to left hand side. That is, we have to take 5x to this side and minus 8 to this side. Then 8x will be here only. Then here, so what is the sign? We have to see the sign before the term. So before the term there is no sign, means plus sign. That is, if we will take to this side, then it will be minus 5x is equal to sign, then minus 3 will be first, then minus 8 will go after that, then minus 8 will go, then it will be plus 8. Now it will be 8x minus 5x means 3x, and minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5 by 3, because again in multiple sign. So x is equal to 5 by 3. So like this we will use transposition method to solve any equation, or we will find the variable. Got it, everyone? Okay, dear. So this is the transposition method. Next two methods we will solve in the next class. Okay. Let's revise the that is we have just that is we will discuss today. That value we will revise it. Okay. At first we have discussed variable. So variable means any alphabets which can be taken randomly from the alphabets is called variable. Constant, any integer either it is positive or negative is called constant term. Expression. Expression means only there is a combination of constant and variable is called expression. And equation. Equation means any expression which has left hand side, right hand side, and there will be equal sign. These 3 points will be necessary in equation. If these 3 points will be there, then it is called equation. Okay. Now after equation we have discussed what is linear equation. Means any equation with whose degree of exponent is 1. Whose degree of exponent is 1 is called linear equation. Okay. And linear equation is one variable means any linear equation whose where the only one variable. If there is only one variable, then it is called linear equation in one variable. Okay. I hope that you have all have understood this. Okay. So let's see here. In next classes we will discuss further more. Okay, dear. Thank you.